Signs a girl likes you but thinks you're not interested. When a girl likes you but believes you're not interested, she may exhibit certain behaviors or signals that are worth paying attention to. It's essential to be aware of these signs so you can clarify your feelings or take appropriate action if you share her interest. Here are some common signs that a girl likes you but thinks you're not interested. Nervousness. She becomes visibly nervous or anxious around you, which can manifest as fidgeting, stumbling over words, or blushing. Frequent eye contact. She often makes eye contact with you, but when you catch her looking, she quickly averts her gaze as if she doesn't want you to know she's watching. Initiates contact. She frequently reaches out to you, whether through text, calls, or social media, showing her interest in maintaining a connection. Remembering details. She remembers and brings up specific details or topics from previous conversations, demonstrating that she pays close attention to what you say. Compliments and praises. She compliments your appearance, personality, or achievements, indicating that she admires you. Acting playfully. She engages in playful teasing or joking to create a connection and test the waters. Personal sharing. She opens up about her life, interests, and experiences, potentially seeking a deeper emotional connection. Attending events or activities. She suggests or agrees to attend events, outings, or activities with you, showing her willingness to spend time together. Supportive behavior. She supports your goals and interests, offering encouragement and assistance when needed. Increased social media engagement. She likes, comments on, or shares your posts and photos on social media, signaling her desire to stay involved in your life. Mentioning other suitors. She occasionally talks about other people who are interested in her, potentially to gauge your reaction and assess your feelings. Jealousy. You might notice signs of jealousy when you interact with other people, as she may become distant or appear disheartened. Extended goodbyes. When parting ways, she prolongs the goodbye or lingers as if hoping for a more personal or intimate interaction. Asking about your relationship status. She may inquire about your current relationship status or casually bring up the topic of dating or love life. Subtle clues in conversations. She might drop subtle hints or cues that express her interest or suggest she'd like to be more than friends. If you notice these signs and you also have an interest in pursuing a romantic relationship with her, it's crucial to take the initiative. Misunderstandings can arise when both parties assume the other is uninterested, so open and honest communication is key. You can express your feelings, ask her about hers, and create an opportunity for a meaningful conversation. This can clarify your intentions and lead to a more profound connection. On the other hand, if you discover that she doesn't reciprocate your feelings or isn't ready for a romantic relationship, it's important to respect her boundaries and maintain a friendly and supportive connection, if that's feasible. It's always better to have a clear understanding of each other's feelings and intentions rather than leaving things uncertain.